Hi, I'm going to make now lukai mat. Lukai mat is a Omani dessert. So all the ingredients here. Lukai mat, we are using the date syrup, which is very important to glazing with the date syrup. This is a rose water, which one giving nice flavor. Now I going to cook how to make lukai mat. I use all-purpose flour for 1.5 cup. It is enough for that almost 6 to 10 people. This is cardamom powder, half teaspoon. Dry yeast, 2 teaspoon, sugar, 1 tablespoon, milk powder, 2 tablespoon. Then I put rose water. Two teaspoons. If you don't have rose water, no problem. You can use vanilla essence. Pinch of salt. So I going to mix. Adding water to make the batter. Put slowly. Just we have to see how is the batter. Make it smooth and keep it 1 hour before you cook it. Until brown, I have to cook. this is the lukaimat I going to serve now. So I have to add the date syrup. Okay. Now I am adding some sesame seed. Please, you can try it at your home.